Hey you guys, it's Deanna coming to you from Bangles and Bags, and today I'm going to reveal what was in our July 2018 Monogram Club box. So to get started, when we open our box, we've got the list of all the items that were included in the box. And this month's box was valued at $116.96. Can't wait to show you. There's a lot of really cuteness in this box, a lot of neat stuff. So first, you've got your single initial vinyl monogram, and it's valued at $10. It's a 3.5-inch vinyl. It's kind of hard to see because it has the plastic over top of it, the coating that you use when you apply it, but it's in a navy, and it's kind of 3D-ish. It's got the little diamonds. It's very unique. I love it. It's really neat looking. Now this can be applied to any flat surface. And then also, you get the 3.5-inch. It's valued at $10. Lime green, your initials. Also another unique, we haven't used this one before, a really unique initial monogramming, and can be applied to any flat surface. And lime green would make anything pop, so that's really neat. Kind of like, reminds me of a bob wire, the way it kind of sticks out around the edges. And again, it's hard to see because it's got the coating on it, but that's really pretty. And also, one of the really cute little things in this bag is this cosmetic bag. It's in seersucker, and I love the color of it. And you get your embroidered initials on the front. It's a really good size for all your cosmetics or anything you want to throw in your bag on the go. I love that one. This is valued at $16.99. Is that not adorable? And then also, since we're always on the go, $24.99 value, you get this adorable wallet. And this, I love to take these kind of things with me when I'm shopping, when I'm out and about. I hate carrying my big pocketbook. You get it's got your initial on it in the gold. And this has a lot of compartments. The outside compartment, you can put your change in there, got that there. Also the handle is adjustable, so you can carry it long, carry it like a clutch. This side is how it opens. You got the outside. It's also got a compartment here on the front, your credit card holder here on the side, a little open window for your license. You can put your money there. And then inside, tons of pockets. That's what we all love, is the pockets. You can fit your cell phone in here. It also has a zipper inside. And if you didn't want to carry it as a clutch, you also get the attachable chain with it, so you can carry it on your shoulder. I just happen to be matching my outfit with it here. Is that not cute? I love it. So you get this, and I don't know if I mentioned, this is valued at $24.99. And then last but not least, you get this awesome thermal mug. It holds cold up to 24 hours, hot 12 hours. It's double walled and vacuum sealed, stainless steel. I love the how it's ombre'd with blue and white. And also, as an added bonus with this, let me see if I can show you guys. You got your initials on the outside. I love the vinyl initial with the anchor and your single letter monogramming in it. These are the best cups. It's a nice side. It's 30 ounces. It's easy to hold because it has the smaller at the bottom. I love the lid on it too. So this will hold all your drinks, hot or cold. Love this. So pretty. And then last but not least, those of you that ordered the shirt for the month, it's valued at $24.99. This was perfect for this time of the year, July 4th. You got your single letter initial on the front. It's in a sparkle red. Kind of makes that shirt pop. And on the back, you got the American flag in a heart shape. Isn't it pretty? I love this. If you guys love what you've seen and you'd like to subscribe to the Monogram box, just check us out at Bangles and Bags / the Monogram Club. Can't wait to show you guys what's in next month's box. I hope you guys have a great day, and thank you for watching.